Lieutenant Colonel Bob Mabry, Director of Trauma Care Delivery for the Department of Defense's Joint Trauma Center of Excellence in San Antonio, Texas, paid a visit to Fort Benning to address the need to improve emergency medicine and combat casualty survival. Mabry is a founding member of the Committee of Tactical Combat Casualty Care. The committee takes the principles of tactics, studies the reasons soldiers die, and focuses on developing emergency medical skills with the greatest benefits to combat casualties, such as stopping hemorrhaging, chest decompressions, and opening airways.
We know from this war, from a pretty significant medical research, that the biggest place to make a difference in casualty survival is in the pre-hospital setting.
Although the Army has a board-certified specialty of pre-hospital care, Colonel Mabry sees a need to systematically expand the role of the pre-hospital specialist with a focus on where to improve training across the Army. He recommends a few of these specialists be placed in key areas, such as the Maneuver Center, to work combat casualty care into the training toolkits of our future leaders.
Combat leaders own battlefield medical care, but how much of that do they get in the Captain's Career Course? How much of that do they get in ILE at Fort Leavenworth? How much of combat casualty care do they get at the War College?
The biggest challenge Lieutenant Colonel Mabry sees is the lack of a standard for tactical combat casualty care, which is currently taught as anything from a PowerPoint presentation to a 2-week curriculum. Mabry believes a uniform standard for all combat lifesavers will help improve survival rates on the battlefield.
Our combat arms leaders have to understand that they have to have a piece in demanding excellence in pre-hospital battlefield care, and that the Army medical community and the Army line community needs to work together to develop doctrine and strategies to improve combat casualty survival going forward.
Log on to vimeo.com/FortBenningTV to watch the entire presentation. Then visit facebook.com/FortBenningFans to join the conversation. David Wright, Fort Benning TV.